This is asparagus stuffed chicken. Tender, juicy, keto-friendly, and easy to make chicken breasts. They are stuffed with a mixture of asparagus, feta cheese, and tomatoes for a burst of flavor in every bite. A perfect meal for a weeknight dinner. Hello everyone and welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where we bring you the best recipes that this world has to offer. Today we're making asparagus stuffed chicken. Sometimes eating simple chicken breasts can get boring and repetitive, so why not add a little twist to it and stuff them with your favorite veggies and cheese. We promise you will love the flavors coming out of this pan. But before we start crafting this low-carb greatness, be sure to add a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and tap on that notification bell. So many more delicious video recipes are to come and you don't want to miss out on any. Now, let's get cooking. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Then bring a pot of water with salt to a boil and prepare a bowl of ice water to add our asparagus after they finished boiling. Once the water is boiling, add 8 ounces of asparagus and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. When they've done boiling, transfer the asparagus into the ice water and let them cool for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then remove them from the ice water and cut their stems into small dice, but keeping the 2-inch tips of the asparagus intact. Now let's prepare the fun part, the stuffing. In a large bowl, combine the prepared asparagus, 3 ounces of crumbled feta cheese, 1/2 cup of halved grape tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Mix thoroughly and set it aside. Using a large platter, place 4 chicken breasts and season with 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and salt and pepper to taste. Rub the chicken breasts with your hands and spread the spices thoroughly, then set it aside. Let's now sear the chicken breasts. First, lightly brush a cast iron grill pan with the remaining tablespoon of olive oil. Heat the grill pan on high heat until it's slightly smoking, then turn the heat to medium. Place the seasoned chicken breasts onto the cast iron grill pan and sear for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Gently lift the chicken breasts and turn them diagonally in the opposite direction. These will create crosshatch grill marks on the chicken breasts. Do not flip them over just yet. Let's cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip the chicken breast over to the other side and sear for 1 minute. Remove the chicken breasts and allow them to cool slightly in a kitchen board. Just know that the chicken breasts will still be undone, but that's because we will also add them in the oven. Carefully insert a paring knife horizontally into the right side of the chicken breasts without cutting completely through the other side. These will create a pocket to stuff the asparagus mixture into. Then stuff the pockets with the asparagus mixture until it's slightly overflowing. Also, arrange a few of the asparagus tips to peek out of the sides of the chicken breasts. These will leave a nice presentation when plating the food. Now transfer the stuffed chicken breasts onto a sheet pan and roast for 25 minutes or until a digital thermometer in the center of the breast reads 165 degrees. We want to keep it juicy, so don't overcook it. When it's done roasting, remove it from the oven and serve on a plate. Isn't the smell that's coming out of just amazing? Truly to die for. If you'd like to read the steps of this recipe, check the description box or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes to discover more amazing recipes for your weeknight dinners. If you haven't already, help us grow the channel by leaving a like on this video, subscribing to the channel, and leaving a comment below telling us how your asparagus stuffed chicken turned out. Thank you so much for watching and cooking along with us. We hope to see you again in our next video recipe.